So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with ClickBank, and I'm going to be showing you some very, very interesting and not really well-known traffic sources that you can use for your ClickBank affiliate marketing campaign. So first, I'm going to be showing you what kind of offers you want to be looking at promoting, because you cannot promote all offers. You cannot promote every single offer on this specific traffic source. I'm going to be showing you what kind of offers you can promote. And then I'm going to be showing you these traffic sources and how to do it correctly, how to actually find the right traffic for your specific offer. All right, so let's get started. All right, so here we are in ClickBank and we are here in the marketplace, okay? And it's very, very important that you pick the right offer. You cannot promote all offers on this specific traffic source. I get a lot of emails from people where they have problems with this traffic source or they have problems with ClickBank in general. You cannot promote all offers. You have to promote only certain types of offers. So the first thing we need to do is we need to pick a vertical. So let's say you're gonna go into business and investing. Okay, my channel is about making money online. Let's say we wanna do make money online. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna do gravity, high to low, and we're going to look at different offers. So we have wood profits. We have all of these random offers. And what you want to be thinking about is you do not want to promote a service. It's a lot safer to promote a product. What is the difference between a service and a product? So a service is like a course. A service is like, it's not tangible. A product could be a piece of software. It could be something physical. You're not going to have physical stuff here in ClickBank, but you're going to have software products. So if you scroll down, you have wood profits. This is a service, courses, stuff like that. What we want is we want a piece of software. So if we scroll down, we want maybe something that is resembling some kind of a piece of software, right? Six-figure business credit, right? All of these are services, okay? And so if you go into software and services category, not a lot of people go in here. You're going to see different software products that you can promote. And these are going to be perfect for what we're about to do. They're a lot safer to promote. They're a lot more interesting to promote. So if you sort it by gravity from high to low, you're going to have all of these services. And what we have here is videos. Number one vendor from JVZoo, 7.5 million paid to affiliates. Now, the reason I'm going here is because I have a friend that's making a lot of money with this product. So I know this product works. So if you go in here, we're going to go to the main page here and we're going to take a look what it looks like, right? We want to see what the main page is all about. And this is what it looks like. This is their sales page, very high quality, very cool. This is their sales funnel, 77 to 97 one time, 37 per month, 197 per year, 40% commission, etc., etc. So you can take a look at this. You can take a look at the rebills. You can even go there to their main page as well, right? You can load up their main page by clicking the main link here, and you're going to be on their main page. Now, this is 3D animation and video software, right? So if we even play this video, we can have an idea of how it works, right? So let's scroll through a little bit. So take a look. This is what you can do. So this is what the software allows you to do. It allows you to create these kinds of high quality animations. That's kind of hard to do manually, right? This is why it's very, very powerful. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be promoting this product on a lot of these special traffic sources. So we're going to hit promote. We're going to generate hop link, and we have a hop link. You can save it somewhere. You can save it in your clipboard, your text manager, wherever. Next, we are going to go to this website called BuySellAds. And this is an amazing website where you can promote all kinds of interesting products. And this is going to be one of the traffic sources. If you watch until the end, I'm going to show you an even more special traffic source that you can use in addition to this specific traffic source. So once you're here, you can scroll down and you can simply go to the marketplace. Once you're at the marketplace, you're going to be on a page that looks something like this. And here you can filter by category, you can filter by inventory type, you can filter and find all kinds of services where you can promote your offers, okay? And so remember, guys, we're doing 3D animation and video software. So you need to think what kind of people would be interested in this kind of software. And the answer to that is these are going to be mostly entrepreneurs, right? Like I'm an entrepreneur, I run multiple businesses. I want to create ads. I want to create interesting things. So here you can filter it by category and you can go in here business, okay? And you have all of these sites where you can promote your product. You have the frugal entrepreneur, you have creative guerrilla marketing, you have killer startups, you have no passive income, right? You have all of these sites. So let's say you want to promote it on this frugal entrepreneur. We're going to open it up and we're going to get a better understanding of what kind of, what kind of inventory we can do, what we can do with this site. First, you can open the site here and you can have a better idea of what the site is all about. Now, this seems like a blog. They have various articles. You want to get an understanding. What kind of traffic do they have? You can go to also to similar web and you can type the name of the site in order to understand, how much traffic they're getting, what it's all about, right? But let's say you want to promote here. You have available inventory. You can promote it as a header banner ad, as a sidebar mid-page, or as a sidebar under sponsors, okay? And so these are the prices and this is the dimensions of the banner ad, right? And it says here, by selecting the fixed type, you will be charged a fixed rate for your campaign every 30 days until the campaign is canceled. So let's say we want to do this. We're going to go next. We're going to see what we got to do. We got to fill this out. So let's say we're going to fill this out. You can fill all this out. You have scheduling. And this is what we're doing. We're doing it as a header banner ad. You can also specify the company. You can say James Inc., whatever your company is. You have your scheduling. And now you need to create your assets, okay? So in order to do that, a really great site to do that is called Canva. You can just go to canva.com and you can easily create a banner ad. You want to sign up for your free account. I'm just going to log into my existing account. All right, so I'm signing into my account. And then what you want to do is you want to click on create a design and you want to do a header. And you want to do custom size and you're going to type the dimensions. I think it was 468 by 60. Let's double check if that's correct. 468 by 60, that's right. You can say create a new design and it automatically gives you a template, okay? And it knows what you're doing. It knows that this is a very, very popular design. And so it gives you some ideas. So you can drag and drop this here and now you have a little ad. You can double click here and you can change this. So you can create a very, very, very interactive and very, interesting design, interesting ad very, very quickly. Now remember, we are promoting an app, a piece of software that does 3D animation. So you can just go in here. You can go to their landing page and you can say breathtaking animations in 3 clicks. Okay, that's it. You can just go in here and you can paste it. And you want to change the font. Maybe you want to make it smaller. You want to make it maybe 20. Okay, you want to expand it. You want to do something like this, maybe even less. That's it. And then you can use some of the affiliate resources that they give you. If you go to their affiliate page on ClickBank, they're going to give you more things, right? You can change this. You can upload stuff. You can do anything that you want. You can even change the design. Let's say you like this design better. You're going to replace current page and you have a new design. You can go in here. You have all of this. You can see all. You can, maybe you like something like this, right? I can just replace it and then I can just breathtaking animation. I can expand it and I can change the font color, right? Because, this is kind of a light color, but we want darker. So now I have darker. Then I can go in here. I can come here. I can change this underneath as well. So I can come here. I can select this. So what I want to do is I want to expand it. I want to drag and drop this right here. And then you can change how it's laid out, the spacing, all of this is here, okay? I may have another video, a more comprehensive tutorial on how to use this. But once you're done, you're going to go to download. You're going to click this button right here and you're going to save it as a PNG. You're going to hit download and it's going to generate it and it's going to save it onto my computer. And then I'm going to go back to my ads that I'm getting. I'm going to hit browse and I'm going to select it. And now it's going to upload it. And now it's here. It even gives you a little preview. Now we have text. You can say this is alternate text. You can specify something like this. And then you can have your link to your ClickBank offer. You can have to another page. You can have anywhere else. You can add additional creatives and you can save another line item, which means you can. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Just a quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video and you want to see more videos such as this one, all I ask is that you smash the like button to let me know that you want more videos such as this one. If I see 100 or more likes, I'm going to be making similar videos for absolutely free. Thanks so much for watching this video, and now we return back to the presentation. Have another piece of inventory where you're going to be promoting it. And this is just one of many sites. Now, the most important thing, guys, here, if you're watching this far, very, very important to understand, because if you go to some places, they're going to say, this is $55 fixed. If you go somewhere else, so let's say we go to to another one. Let's say we try some other inventory here. Okay, let's say we try Warrior Forum, right? They may not give you a fixed price. What they're going to be doing is they're going to be quoting it to you in terms of CPM. CPM stands for cost per 1,000 impressions. Okay, so this is 6.9 CPM, this is 750 CPM, 390 CPM. The most expensive, because they're charging you per 1,000 impressions. So it's not a fixed price. It's gonna depend by how many impressions they're getting. So if they're gonna give you 1,000 impressions, you're gonna pay $690. If they're gonna give you 10,000 impressions, you're gonna pay $69. Okay, so that way you can compare if they quote you in dollars or they quote you in terms of CPM. So if you're guaranteed to get 10,000 impressions, it's gonna cost you $69, which is slightly more expensive than if you were paying $55. If it's $55 and they give you 1,000 impressions, that's $55 CPM. If they quote you $55, but they give you 10,000 impressions, that's $5.50 CPM, which is less expensive, which is cheaper than this. So if they quote you a dollar amount, you have to figure out how many impressions they're gonna get. So you have to ask them. Maybe you want to contact them. You want to figure that out. That's very, very important. But if they quote you in terms of CPM, that right away that this is how much you're going to be paying for impressions. So it's a lot easier to compare CPM to CPM than if it's a fixed price. So we can go in here, we can pick this. Let's say you want a premium top banner, you can go to campaign setup, and you're going to be following the same steps, right? You're going to have 690 CPM, you're going to enter your budget. Let's say your budget is 100. Right, and if it's 100, you're going to get 14,000 impressions. But if your budget is, let's say, 7, let's say it's 69, you're gonna have what? 10,000 impressions, right? Because your budget is 69 and you're gonna be getting. So it really depends on your budget. It really depends on their terms and conditions. The image here is 728 by 90. So that means you can go in here, you can create a new design and you can say 728 by 90. And this is gonna be a very narrow type banner. And they even give you some templates here, right? So take a look at this one. Beautiful, right? There's a call to action. There's the thing here. You can rename it breathtaking 3D animation, something like this. You can even expand it a little bit. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. You can come here and then you can say click here. You can do something like this. Or, you can change colors. You can change it to, whatever, black. Maybe that looks better. Or no, that's not really visible. Horizon. Okay, that looks cool. Something like this, that's kind of small. So, you can play with it and you can see what looks better for you. So that looks pretty fine to me. Right click here, you can change the color. You can make it maybe black, something like this. You can make it, no, that's not really visible. White, yeah, white is probably the best one. And you guys can play with it. Then you can download it to your computer, upload it, and then make your inventory purchase this way. Super, super easy. And so, like I said, you have a lot of things to pick from. You have a lot of different offers. You have a lot of different verticals. If you guys want to promote another vertical, you want to do gaming, you want to do crypto, you can just go to crypto. You have all of these places where you can go back to ClickBank and pick crypto here, right? So you can go in here. You have, different offers. You can just type crypto here. You can just do that, and you're gonna have crypto offers that you can go out and promote it. I just wanted to show you a simple vertical that you can promote, but you can promote any vertical that you want. Now, the next site that I want to show you is called adclerks.com. You can buy ads online and you can sell ad space. You want to go ahead and create your account, or you can log in with your existing account, which is what I'm gonna do since I already have an account here. All right, so I just logged into my account. It's a free account. Anybody can create it. And as soon as you're here, you can see your ad marketplace. You have your ad marketplace. This is free SEO tool, 1 million impressions. This is another site, and you can go by category. So let's say we're looking business and finance. You can click this, and you can see business and finance. Now, you guys got to do your homework. Very, very important, right? Super important to do it, right? So for instance, let's say you like this site. You want to figure out how much you're going to get, right? It says estimated impressions is less than 1,000. It's going to cost you $5 per 30 days. If this was 1,000, that's a 5 CPM, okay, which is fairly good price. If it's less than 1,000 and it's 5, then it's going to be more, right? Because if it's like, let's say 500 impressions, then you double this, then this becomes 10 CPM, which is kind of expensive. And it really depends. Is it expensive or not? It really depends on the quality of traffic. So you want to go to this URL and you want to go to a site called Similar Web, and you want to enter it here. So let's say you're trying to get how much views they're getting. And if you do that here, and you can see that this is not available, that means they're probably not getting a lot of traffic. And really, if you see less than 1,000 impressions, that probably means they're not getting a lot of traffic, right? You want to go back and you want to do you want to figure it out. You want to see, how much traffic is that site getting. You want to do your due diligence, right? So you maybe want to go to this site right here. It says 4.3 million impressions, right? So now it has an Alexa rank. You can do the same thing. You can, load up this site in Similar Web, and you can have an understanding, right? You have this 0.08. This is really low CPM, 0.08 per 1,000 impressions. Very, very low CPM. But maybe the traffic is not that bad. So there's a lot of, if you're willing to do your homework, you can get a lot of cheap traffic on sites like this, and you can have very, very cheap conversions, and you can save that traffic, you can save it to an email list, and then you can market to people over and over again. So here you have 1 million impressions, $15 per month, right? And you're getting 74,000 impressions for $15 a month, which is very, very low CPM. You just divide these two numbers by 74,000, right? So if you do 15 divided by 74,000, you have a very, very low CPM right here, extremely low CPM. And so this is another awesome traffic source. You can also purchase ad bundles. You have something called a top ad zones. And if you go to ad bundles, you have affiliate and marketing bundle, business and finance bundle, cryptocurrency bundle. And this is perfect because it matches up with ClickBank. It matches up with some of the other affiliate networks. So if you go into affiliate and marketing bundle, you can promote some really, really interesting offers to this bundle. So if you come here, it's going to cost you $275 for 1.6 million impressions, right? So if you do the math on that, you're going to be able to understand what is the CPA. As you can see, some of them have it 0.1 CPM. You can scroll down and you can see some of them are sold out, and so you may have to go on the waiting list in order to promote it. So there's a lot of really interesting traffic sources here. You can test traffic, you can pay a little bit of money, and so if it's not converting, you can just not renew. But if it is converting, you can go in and you can essentially buy more and more traffic. All right, guys, so this site, Ad Clerks, combined with BuySellAds, gives you an alternative form of traffic that a lot of people do not use. It's a lot different than Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, any of these other platforms. And it's really, really good traffic sources that you can go out and you can promote different kinds of offers. All right, guys. So let me know if you have any questions below. Let me know if you need me to clarify something. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. And I will see you in the next video.